Yo, what's up everybody? Good morning or good afternoon, San Pedro. This is Austin at LAVICEMOTORS, and I got a really special one for you. I'm excited to show you. But before I do me a favor. Please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram at l.a.vice_motors, and follow along and like and share on Facebook. Pretty please. It really helps me to get my name out there and show you all what kind of cars that I'll be bringing to you here in San Pedro, California. Today's a little gloomy, but anyway, let me get right to it. I know that's what you're here for. For you muscle car enthusiasts, looky what I got. This is a sexy sumbitch. I can't help but tell you. This was somebody's pride and joy. The paint's not even factory. It's like a brand new paint job. Look at what that is. Let me just shut the door first. Probably better that way. Oh, there comes the sun. That's a 2008, believe it or not. Full Cervini kit with a beautiful paint job. No cheap Mako here. It's multiple layers. You can tell this was somebody's pride and joy. It is a 2008. It is not a Saleen, even though it looks like it. So this is why it's not going to be no 23, 24, 25 grand. This is a 2008 Ford Mustang GT. Manual transmission with the full-fledged Cervini kit all the way around. It's got the upgraded headlights with the HID lights, the LED big giant fogs. It's got the real SVE wheels. They're 20's with Mickey Thompson good tires all around. It's lowered on coils and Bilstein shocks. I've already got under there and checked. Looks like it's got some cross-drilled and slotted rotors. A little deeper dish staggered wheel in the back. 305s, 3520, Mickey Thompsons. Gorgeous black paint. The car only has 111,000 miles. It's got the upgraded LED tail lights. This guy put some money into this sumbitch. It's got the full-fledged side exhaust. Oh my God, it sounds ridiculous. It's got headers, an intake. It's got a little extra power. It needs a blower in my opinion. But dude, let me let you hear this sumbitch. Okay, are you ready? This is what this thing's all about. Full side exhaust right there. Sounds incredible. It is a GT. It is not a real Roush or Saleen. I think that looks like a Saleen kit. So this is why it's only $13,900. A tad more than a regular GT, but it's definitely worth it. There's probably, shit, those rims are at least $3 grand. The body kit's probably a couple grand. The paint, there's like 8, 9, 10 extra grand in this car. So it sounds incredible. It's it's not the leathered up, but it's clean. It runs excellent. AC is blowing nice and cold, and it sounds bitchin'. This is a beautiful car. The paint is mwah. Visit LAVICEMOTORS.com to get approved. I'm gonna have this on Faceless, Instagram. I'm gonna put it on my Car Gurus, my website. It's all over the place. This is a beautiful car. A bunch of people are after it already. Come check it out. 699 West 9th Street, San Pedro, California. It's your buddy Austin with LAVICEMOTORS, trying to help you guys out. Appreciate you. Follow along, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Peace.